Here is the best way on how you can turn off USB storage and try again WhatsApp. So first up, what you need to do is just simply head over to your settings, and just like that. Once you're inside settings, what you need to do is basically confirm if your mass USB storage is turned on. So if it's older OS of your Android, it's gonna be automatically turned on. If it's a newer device and a newer OS, it's gonna be not there and it's officially turned off. But if you are, just simply search up storage like that on your storage settings, and right over here you'll be able to see turn off my mass USB storage. But if you cannot see it, then you're good, you're on the latest OS of your phone and you can just simply use it. Now the other method is simply the same. You have to be on WhatsApp and your settings, and you have to find the app. So now I'll just type in WhatsApp. And once you go inside app info of WhatsApp, you'll be able to see permissions. Just go ahead and press on permissions. And right over here, make sure your storage is allowed and it's not on don't allow. Make sure every access media is allowed. And once this is done, you can check and it will be fixed. And the last but not least, just make sure your storage is full, like, like it has space in it, like your internal storage, not your SD card. So I do have plenty of storage, but if it's full, just try to delete something and check if it's working and try again. So yeah, these were all the methods on how you can fix please turn off USB storage and try again WhatsApp. So I hope this video actually helps you out. I'll see you soon.